In this video, I'll show you how to fix a blocked or suspended Western Union account step by step. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to fix a Western Union account that has been suspended or blocked, first open the Western Union app on your device. If you're having trouble accessing the app, you can try force stopping the application from your phone settings. If that option isn't available on your device, you can also delete or uninstall the app and then reinstall it again before signing back into your account. Once you open the Western Union app again, check the main dashboard. If the dashboard loads normally, it usually means your account is still active, but may require identity verification. In many cases, Western Union asks users to verify their identity in a few simple steps to keep the account secure and prevent it from being suspended. To avoid any issues, complete the identity verification process as soon as possible. This typically involves confirming your personal details and uploading a valid ID so Western Union can verify that the account belongs to you. If you have already completed the verification and your account is still suspended or restricted, the next step is to contact Western Union customer support. Open any browser such as Google Chrome, Safari, or another browser on your device and search for Western Union customer service. This will take you to their official support page. On the support page, you can select the Chat with Us option to start a conversation. You may first be connected to an AI assistant, but you can request to speak with a live agent who can help review your account and guide you through the recovery process. Through chat support, you can also ask about blocked transfers or account issues. Another option is to call Western Union customer support directly. By dialing their support number, you can speak with a live representative who will assist you with fixing the suspension and restoring your account access. Finally, make sure your internet connection is stable, whether you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data. A weak connection can sometimes cause login or verification problems within the app. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.